3 knives, all under $30. Why would you buy a knife under $30? Well, because you're like me. You live paycheck to paycheck. You take care of a whole family. You can't afford the really good stuff. You're new to knives. That's a big one. You're new to knives and you don't want to spend that much. You just need a tool, an actual tool that you're actually going to use as a tool. Breaking cardboard, letter opening, all that good stuff. So you want something that's going to last and do the job it's meant to do. Let's start with the Kataday from CKRT. Jesus. This one has a very nice detent. It has good action. Great minimal pocket clip. Has D2 steel. Don't hate on D2 steel. It holds better edge retention than 14C and Nitro V and AR RPM 9. It's just you lose some of the other stuff. It's a little harder to sharpen. It's not as rust resistant as other ones are. Stuff of that nature. But it takes a screaming edge. D2 is a fantastic steel, and it's perfect for this price. I believe this one was $29.50, but I got it on sale a few years ago, and I believe I paid less than that. But they're always on sale these days, so you can get one of these for $24 to $29, which is really fantastic. And then we got the migurons. I'm going to have to look up the name for this one, as it's probably my favorite budget miguron I've ever handled. Let me see if I can find that. Because I know this one's the Vizat. I believe this one is called... Come on. I have White Mountain Knives up right now. I'm trying to find it. Let me see if I can find this real quick. If not, I will just insert it on the screen somewhere around there. I believe this is it. The Purism. Yeah, that's it. It's the Purism. So this has a PVD coated blade, which isn't DLC, but it's not paint. So that's a win right there. It's going to take more damage before it starts scratching, as opposed to something like this where it'll take damage very easily. So it has PVD coating, G10, ivory G10 handles, and it has D2, just like this guy. Very smooth, snappy action. This thing is a beast of a knife for... I don't remember what I spent on this. I think it was 26, 27, something like that. All I know is it's sub $30, and for what you get versus what you pay, this is a boss deal. Miguron definitely is one of the better companies in the budget area. They keep their knives cheap because the owner is a knife guy and he understands people are broke and it's hard these days. So he wants his stuff out there because, unlike a lot of places, he understands the cheaper it is, the more is going to get bought. That came out terrible sounding, but it's whatever. The cheaper it is, the more product is going to move, I guess I should say. I'll say it that way. And he makes a really good product. It's nice, good ceramic bearings. D10 is so good. The #1 favorite miguron, under $100. And then we got this guy, the Purism. That's the Purism. The Zazot. What? I'm just all over the place because this is my first day off in a week and a half or so. So my mind is not working at all, apparently. Yeah, Zazot or Vazot. Why did I say Zazot? Anyway, Zoltan. I don't know. But it's a front flipper. Has a really nice flat blade, flat ground blade. A nice satin. Action's a little stiffer than this guy, but it could still be flicked from the fuller. Thumb, guess that'll happen if you put a little pressure on it. Front flipper works really well. Yeah, I can do the reach around. The jimping's a little strong, so it kind of hurts my finger doing this one, but you can do it. I don't know how good of a cutter this one is, but if ergonomics are concerned, this one feels really good in the hand. It's very ugly. I don't really like this style of knife. Just because I'm bougie. But for what you get, 100% worth the price. Very good knife. This thing will last you a long time. You can bear down on it. You can do all the things. You can do the pinch. You can do the control. You can do the reverse pull. You can do anything with this knife that any other over $200 knife or sub $200 knife can do. Well, hell, any knife. It's a good knife. This one, same thing. It has all the good grips. It has a forward choil, although it's only a 1 knuckle. You can't get 2 in there. I mean, it hits the meat of my finger, and I have medium-sized hands, so it's a 1 knuckle or maybe a tip if you have ginormous meaty hands, like a lot of knife people do. I haven't put any oil or lube in any of these knives, and the action is already this good. So, and then you got this guy. I think I talked about it in the beginning, but this one's probably my favorite out of the 3 because it has the field strip, which is really good. So you can use the living crap out of this knife. And you can just take it out, put your just throw your oil on there, pop it back together, push that down, pop that over, and it's back to working condition. And it's also really comfortable. It's ugly, super ugly. I mean, look at that thing. It's hideous, but it's very comfortable, and the action is phenomenal. So that's all this video is, basically. I just wanted to talk to those new people. There's always a knife for you in the sub $50 range, even in the sub $30 range. There's good knives that will last you a very long time and not break the bank. And that's literally going to be the name of the video. You know, don't want to break the bank. Yeah, I don't know. I lost it right there. I was like, I had a train of thought, and it was like, nah. So that's basically the end of the video. I just wanted to show off 3 really good knives for a really good price. So yeah, and that's it. Have a good one.